What's up, Camp Griddlemore? We are coming at you with a very special episode this week from Blackstone headquarters, and we are going to share 8 things that you might not know about Blackstone products. We're going to meet some cool people along the way and share some interesting facts about this awesome company. So let's get started. Number 1, Blackstone Products has their headquarters in beautiful Logan, Utah, which is about an hour-and-a-half north of Salt Lake City. There's all kinds of great camping around here, and if you love the great outdoors, this is a really cool place to be. Number 2, Blackstone has 6 griddle pros, including myself. Let's say hello to each of them and get to know them a little bit better. Hungry Hussy, where were you born and where do you live now?
Thomasville, North Carolina, Trinity, North Carolina, literally 5 minutes away.
What is the most delicious thing you make on a Blackstone griddle?
It's gotta be tacos.
Tacos, love it.
Love a taco.
What music do you love to listen to when you're relaxing and griddling?
I like Christian music. Love some K-Love, yeah.
K-Love,
Yep.
And tell me a hobby you have that has nothing to do with cooking.
A hobby that I have, oh geez Louise. I love photography.
Photography.
That's my love,
I love
man.
it. Thank you, man.
Yep. Thank you.
Todd Tobin, what state were you born in and what state do you live in now?
Born in Pennsylvania, I live in Colorado now.
What is the most delicious thing you have ever made on a Blackstone?
Stir fry.
The god of stir fry. What kind of music do you listen to while you're griddling, or do you not listen to music?
That's a tough one. Probably Christian rock, Christian hard rock.
Heavy metal.
Heavy metal, yeah. Skillet, bands like that, yeah.
What is a hobby you have that has nothing to do with cooking?
Elk hunting, moose hunting, deer hunting.
Thank you, Todd Father. Woo! CJ Frraasier,
Yes,
what
sir.
state were you born in? What state do you live in now?
I was born in Amarillo, Texas, and I now live in Tampa, Florida.
Didn't know about Texas. What's the most delicious thing you have ever made on a Blackstone griddle?
Oh, geez, the most delicious thing. It's probably going to be a steak with a chimichurri rojo set over some greens and some mini yellow potatoes.
Love it. Music that you listen to when you are griddling and relaxing.
Oh, that's an easy one. Grunge, anything grunge. Foo Fighters, Pearl Jam, the works.
Love it. Hobby that you have outside of the world of cooking.
Oh, musician. I was in
didn't know that.
music for a long, long time, and yeah, I used to do it a little more, not professionally, but more eagerly, but have kind of slowed down.
Love it, man. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Blackstone Betty, what state were you born in and what state do you live in now?
I was born in Washington, D.C., and I live in Pennsylvania right now, outside of Philly.
What is the most delicious thing you have ever made on a Blackstone griddle? There's so many, I know.
I'm just gonna go with my shallow fried Italian chicken cutlets because they're fast, easy, and a family favorite, but then you can top them with whatever you want, so you can always change it up.
Love it. Do you listen to music when you're cooking and relaxing? And if so, what music?
Absolutely. I like classic rock. I like everything, really. I don't love too much of today's music, but I do have a Spotify playlist under Blackstone Betty. You can find it.
What is a hobby that you have that's not related to cooking?
I love the beach. I love being out in the sun and doing anything fun with my kids.
So you're a beach person and
I
love
am.
doing it with the family.
Same beach too, Delaware.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Chef Nathan Lippy, what state were you born in and what state do you live in right now?
Memphis, Tennessee, Shelby County. What's up, Elvis? I live in Plant City, Florida.
What is the most delicious thing you have ever made on a Blackstone griddle? I know it's a hard question.
Not a hard question. Rosemary garlic steaks.
Oh my
One of my
gosh.
favorite. Steak bites if you want to go that direction.
Do you listen to music when you're griddling and relaxing? If so,
100%.
what music do you listen to?
Ooh, I go between Stapleton and Hardy, and then Metallica and Atreyu.
And you are a musician too.
I am.
Okay. A hobby I just stole your answer. A hobby you have outside of griddling.
Disc golf.
Disc golf. Your
I'm a
family's
nerd.
pretty
I'm a
rocking
disc
at disc
golf nerd,
golf.
yeah.
Let's play sometime.
Okay.
Love it. The third thing you might not know about Blackstone Products is that they are building a big, beautiful new headquarters right here in Logan, Utah, and it's going to open sometime in 2025. Number 4, Blackstone has an amazing Griddle Crew, and Andy Steele is one of the leaders. Tell us some interesting facts about Crew.
Oh man, Crew is amazing. We've got 94 members across 3 countries in 26 states. Last year, a total social reach of over 30 million.
And there's nothing like it.
Nothing like it
in the world of outdoor cooking. Andy Steele for U.S. Senate. Number 5. Every summer, Blackstone Products holds a social summit here in Logan, Utah, where Griddle Crew members come from all over the country for seminars, product reveals, and amazing collabs where they cook together and do content together. Those are about to go on right behind me here, so let's go grab something to eat. Number 6, Blackstone actually has a new cooking show in the UK, hosted by James and produced by Clarky. What is the name of the show, James?
Be good, do good,
And eat good.
Love it. What is one of the best recipes you've made so far, Clarky?
I wouldn't necessarily say it's the best recipe, but one of the most interesting ones I've enjoyed the most has been bacon, scallop, black pudding, baguette with hot sauce. But something he's introduced me to, which I'm living with now, and it's in everything, is candied maple bacon, or just candied bacon. Like, it's a staple in James's life, and he's now...
Yeah, I'm 20% candied bacon.
Sounds delicious. Cheers, mates.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, mates. Number 7, Blackstone has an outlet store in Logan, Utah, and I'm about to get shopping because there are some great deals here. Number 8, Blackstone Products actually has an amazing softball team that is loved by its fans and feared by its opponents. Name and position.
I'm Nicole Sperry. My position is either catcher or the outfield somewhere.
Name and position.
I'm Belle. I'm either catcher or outfield.
I'm
Name and
Halston.
position.
I'm right center field.
Record this year?
1-5.
1-5. Record last year?
1-11.
Those wins must have been sweet.
Absolutely. And last game, Halston hit a dinger.
Dinger, dinger, dinger.
Yes, to the fence.
Thank you so much for joining me for this week's special episode of Camp Griddlemore, coming at you from Blackstone headquarters in beautiful Logan, Utah. As you can see, this is an awesome company with an awesome culture and awesome people and a really awesome softball team. Let me know in the comments below, what is something that you want to know about Blackstone products that you don't know? And also make sure that you are tagging Blackstone in your own great cooking content. They love to share your stuff on their own channels. We will see you next week right here at Camp Griddlemore.